Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to find the centroid of the eye section. Let us divide the eye section into three parts: top flange, web, bottom flange. The given section is symmetric about y-axis, so no need to find the x-bar, only we need to find the y-bar. That is the distance of the centroid from the base of the bottom flange AB. X-bar will lie at half of 100, that is 50 mm from both the sides, because the eye section is symmetric about y-axis. Let us find the area of each part. Area of top flange A1 equal to length into breadth 60 into 20, 1200 mm square. Area of the web A2 equal to 100 into 20, 2000 mm square. Area of the bottom flange A3 equal to 100 into 20, 2000 mm square. Y-bar equal to A1 Y1 plus A2 Y2 plus A3 Y3 divided by area A1 plus A2 plus A3. Let us find Y1. It is the distance of the center of top flange from the bottom AB. First 20 plus 100 and half of top flange, that is 20 by 2. We will get 20 plus 100 plus 10, 130 mm. Next Y2 equal to 20 plus half of 100. 20 plus 50, 70 mm. Center of web is 70 mm from AB. Y3. Y3 is half of 20, 20 by 2. So the center of bottom flange is at 10 mm from AB. A1 1200 into Y1 130 mm plus A2 2000, Y2 70 plus A3 2000, Y3 10 divided by total area 1200 plus 2000 plus 2000. By solving we will get 60.76 mm. So the centroid of the given eye section is 60.76 mm from the base AB. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe to our channel.